In the heart of South America, where the borders of Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay meet, nature has sculpted a spectacle of such grandeur and breathtaking beauty that it leaves even the most seasoned travelers awestruck. Welcome to Iguazu Falls. Imagine, if you will, the thunderous roar of water echoing through the dense tropical rainforest. Picture the colossal curtain of cascading water stretching nearly 2 miles wide and plunging over 260 feet into the abyss below. A sight so formidable, First Lady Eleanor Roosevelt reportedly exclaimed, "Poor Niagara," upon her first glimpse. Now, close your eyes and feel the fine mist of the mighty falls kissing your face. Hear the exotic calls of brightly feathered birds as they dart through the lush vegetation, adding a soundtrack to your adventure. The heart quickens as the journey begins. A boat, sturdy and reliable, cuts through the calm waters of the Iguazu River. The powerful engine hums beneath your feet, matching the pulse of excitement coursing through your veins. The verdant green canopy of the rainforest blurs into a watercolor painting as you speed towards the heart of the falls. As the boat draws closer, the roar of the falls becomes a symphony of nature's raw power. The spray of water, cool and refreshing, dances in the air, painting rainbows in the bright sunlight. The sheer power of the falls, the relentless force of the water, is a humbling reminder of nature's indomitable will. The boat ride into the heart of the Iguazu Falls is not merely a journey. It's an exhilarating dance with nature. It's a plunge into the very lifeblood of the earth, a testament to the unyielding power and breathtaking beauty of our natural world. Experiencing the Iguazu Falls by boat is akin to stepping into a living painting, where every brushstroke is a testament to the grandeur of nature. It's a journey that doesn't just show you the beauty of our world, it immerses you in it, leaving you with a profound sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the power of Mother Nature. It's more than a ride, it's an adventure of a lifetime.